Welcome to Week 8. In this week, we will finish our unit on leading through diversity and conflict with the completion of the conflict communications paper assignment, which is due by this Thursday. We will then transition into the third key content area for the class, leading innovation and change. To kick off this unit, you'll be asked to read 2 Harvard Business Review articles titled Leading Change, Why Transformation Efforts Fail, and the second one, Changing Company Culture Requires a Movement, Not a Mandate. You will also be asked to watch another Leadership in Focus video, which involves Executive Vice President of IDEC Pharmaceuticals, Connie Matsui, discussing her challenge of needing to overcome a complex drug development project despite her lack of technical background. In your discussion post, you'll be asked to reflect on the challenges and lessons learned in this case and also apply them to your readings for this week. There are no discussion comments for this week. I hope you have a wonderful week in completing these tasks.